In the cut and they fucking hella shit up. Thought I was steady talking, but they ain't shooting shit. And my shorties dumping after us every day. And you know we young boys, and you know we in steamers every fucking day. We a joyride every day until we catch that body. Homicide every day. If you really want that smoke, I send my shorties too. And you know they dumping at your fucking crew. They don't get no fuck, and they say they off the molly, off the molly, off the molly. Out the molly, out the molly. Ain't doing nothing, sliding down the house. That's against the body, that's just against the body. Out the molly, out the molly, out that molly, out that molly, down there catch your body. 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 Yeah, J-Rock in this bitch. Hell yeah, I heard your mans was a fucking snitch. He snitched on me in the fucking courtroom like a little bitch. Gave me 10 years up in prison. He's a goofy bitch. When I catch him, I'ma knock his face off with this fucking Glock or that fucking tech. The folks in the back, he on hell yeah, he got that net. And you know that bitch always gotta have a monster. Any nigga wanna play us in Sosa through. Hell yeah, he got that 6-shot and Deucey got the 382. And you know that shit. Hell yeah, we in traffic. At me on book, Justin Malik Griffin, bitch, you know this shit. Hey, hop in my leads every day. And I ride down the ice block every day. Poppin' mollies, 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 poppin' mollies. Just to ride down the ice just to catch a body. Poppin' molly, poppin' molly, poppin' molly. Ride down the ice block just to catch a body.